Rooster and Little Stevie, what you getting ready to do, man? What you getting ready to do? There it is. Little Stevie coming at you. Little Stevie over there waiting. Little Stevie behind the wheel. Here we go.
All right. There ain't no one in the house. They're riding the roosters in the house. All right, bring the next one up. All right, 2 red lights, Buddy D right here. 2 red lights. Let's see who can get to the big line. Pick out one to ride with him. Little Red and the Rooster. Little Red and the Rooster.
Little Stevie. Hey, Little Stevie.
Hey, don't take no more out there.
Yeah, he's talking about Little Red.
Y'all need to back up. Y'all need to back up.
Little Stevie. Little Stevie. You said Little Red.
Little Chicken. Or Chicken. All right.
What in the hell? What the hell happened? He came around Little Stevie. What the hell just happened then? The Rooster took the damn win. What the hell happened? The Rooster took the win by the wreck. He went back around him, man. He went back around him. Here we go, y'all. That damn Rooster. Yeah, you won. Look at it. You won. You won. Look at it. Okay, you won. He won. He won.
That's all po' boys all the time. Tell us we want to
Look at that. Look at that. He happy as hell. He happy, y'all. He happy. He happy. He got a damn win.
That's all right. They can talk some more shit. We go home and
Y'all, that Rooster with the package.
That's right.
That damn Rooster with
Hey,
the
I'm
damn
putting
package.
that chicken shit on him.
You putting that chicken shit on her. Damn little Rooster snuck up on some damn body, put some chicken shit on him, y'all. Rooster took a shit on Little Stevie. Good damn race, y'all. Let's see what they gonna do. They might run it back, y'all. We'll see.